Amazon ads equals more sales. 5 reasons you should be advertising right now on Amazon. Also, at the end of the video, I'll give you a special little cheat sheet of ACOS versus ROAS. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so reason number 1 is massive buyer traffic. So millions of shoppers visit Amazon daily, ready to buy, massive buyer traffic. You can see right now how many people shop on Amazon, and as of December 2024, over 310 million active users. So people are there, they're ready to buy, so you can get in front of them. And then here's some of our, you can go to our client data, but right now you can see they spent $51,000 on Amazon ads and made $500,000 on Amazon ads. So imagine spending $50,000 and getting $500,000 in return. That's the power of Amazon ads. And it's really easy to run Amazon ads, right? And then you just have to monitor it and optimize it. Number 2 is each advertising sale equals 2 organic sales most of the time. So I'm going to explain this a little bit in depth. So each time you generate an advertising sale, so let's say you're running a sale for this item, a portable campfire. Somebody types in portable campfire, right? And then your ad shows up. Let's just say this is your ad right here, and then these are the competitors and they're not running ads. Now, if they click on your listing and they click add to cart and they buy it, Amazon's gonna be like, wow, somebody typed in portable campfire and somebody clicked on your ad and somebody purchased your item. That's good. Amazon writes that down, puts it in their system, and then organically, Amazon's gonna be like, well, since people are typing it in, clicking on your ad, purchasing your product, that must mean that your item is a portable campfire and people wanna see it. So they're gonna push your listing up organically as well as via ads. So that means that your organic sales are going to go up as well. So for every time you get an advertising sale, it helps your ranking and it helps your organic sales. Usually every 1 advertising sale over time equals 2 organic sales on Amazon. So it is a great ROI. Again, one more time. So even though they spent $50,000 and they got $500,000 in sales, they should be getting at least $1 million in organic sales. So this number is actually 1.5 million. Right now, this just shows the Amazon ads, but we're not looking at any of the organic sales that this customer got from not running ads or from the ads that weren't spent, if that makes sense. Number 3 is to outrank competitors. So if you're running ads and competitors aren't running ads, all you have to do is figure out what keywords they're ranking for and then run ads towards those keywords. So let's say you figured out, hey, I want to run ads, and what I want to do is I know that the competitors are showing up for portable campfire. So I want to rank for portable campfire. You can put portable campfire in your title, right? But that's not going to help you get to page number 1 fast. In order to get to page number 1 fast, you need to run ads. You can do exact match ads, where if anybody types in portable campfire, you show up, just like this competitor right here is showing up. Not only are they showing up here, but they're also running brand ads. You can see they're showing up here and they're showing up. So they show up 3 times. So the chances of them generating a sale are much higher. So they are outranking the competitors. This is an ad, this at the top. This is an ad right here. You can see it says sponsored. And since people are typing in portable campfire and buying from them, it's making them show up pretty much after all the ads, it's showing up number 1. This one's not an ad, organically. So it's showing up organically. So it's outranking all of the competitors. So if you figure out, okay, this competitor is running a propane fire pit, and see propane fire pit in the title, and you type in propane fire pit, you run ads against it, and you show up, you're not showing up number 1, you can show up number 1 via ads. And once you generate sales for propane fire pit, then you're going to start organically showing up, and then you're going to kick them out of the first position. So that's the benefit of running ads. If your competitors aren't running ads, Amazon is going to award you, because not only are you generating sales with those ads, but you're giving Amazon more money. So Amazon wants you to spend more money, and in order to do that, they're gonna start pushing you up to page number 1 organically as well. And then you could show up 3 times like this one right here, sponsored ad, and after all of the ads, they're showing up number 1 organically. So you know they're generating a lot more sales than the competitors. Number 4 is fast results. So unlike Facebook, where people are just looking to like and share posts, on Amazon, people are actually looking to buy stuff. So it's easier to convert a sale. So if you're targeting people on Facebook ads, right, it is a lot harder in my professional opinion, because they're scrolling, they just want to like, they want to watch videos, they want to see what their friends are doing, and then they see an ad to buy something. Well, they didn't go on Facebook to buy something. On Amazon, it's meant for buying. They're there to buy. So it's easier to convert a sale when you're running Amazon ads. Also, the Amazon ads are really hidden. You can see it says sponsored very, very small, and sometimes you can't even tell that it's sponsored. And number 5 is multiple ad formats. So this is where you can really dominate, and this is what Radiate, our clients, doing. They're running an ad right here, right? This is just a regular sponsored ad. Now they're running a sponsored brand ad right up here. So again, they have an ad here. So now they're showing up all the way at the top of the page. And a lot of people don't run these types of ads. They're just like, we're just gonna run the basic ads, but you can have video ads, right? You can have ads like this that take you to their own, like, it looks like it's a little private website that shows them all their products, right? And let's see if we can find a video. Here's a video ad. It showcases a video of what the product looks like, how to use it. So and this one takes up a lot of space. So people are going to watch it most of the time. So and you don't get charged, you only get charged per click for Amazon ads, unless you want to change the settings. There are settings where you can get charged per view, but per click is great. So if people watch this, you're not going to get charged until they actually click through to your listing. Okay, and now we have the little ACOS versus ROAS model, and this is to see how good your ads are doing, right? So you can either track your ads via ACOS or by ROAS. You can see right now we're tracking it by ACOS for this client. You can see they're at 9%. So pretty much if you are running ads and you're tracking it by ACOS, which is advertising cost of sale, how much does it cost to convert a sale? Theirs is only 9%, pretty much. So for every $100, it takes around $9 for them to convert a sale. So right now, you can see amazing. Anything below 29% is considered amazing. They're at 9%, so they're in the amazing category. If you're running ads yourself, if you're like in the 30 to 50% ACOS, your ads are good. If you're in the 51% to 75, they're okay. And then anything above that is considered bad. Anything above 100%, you're just throwing out money. But you have to learn. So when you first start, maybe your ACOS is going to be really bad, but you want to have a goal of getting to and maintaining an ACOS below 29%. And then ROAS was recently added in the last 2 years. So you can track it with ROAS as well. It's a little bit different, but they pretty much are similar. And so the higher the ROAS, the better. And for ACOS, the lower the better. I like to track it by the ACOS because that's what I was originally trained on and learned from, but it's up to you. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on if you ran any Amazon ads in the past and how did it do for you? Were you in the amazing, the good, the okay, the bad ACOS, and what did you learn? If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your ads, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our top service is our Amazon Advertising Management Service. This is where we'll fully manage your Amazon ads, pull reports, optimize your listings, and make sure that you're getting in those amazing ACOS range. right? We have to look at your listings, your sales, your reviews, what's going on, so we can get that click rate higher and the ACOS down as low as possible. So this is a great service, so that way you can spend time working on your business and we can spend time optimizing, creating new campaigns, staying up with the latest trends, and help you save money, time, and of course, most importantly, it's going to help you increase your sales. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.